This is a fluency development lesson shared by Dr. Lynne Kulich from NWEA. This recipe card has several activities that first grade teachers can use with their students. On day 1, the teacher presents a new poem. The teacher reads the poem several times. Discuss poet's purpose and style. Locate rhyming words, onomatopoeia, and alliteration. Students chorally echo read. As you can see, this poem has a rhyme scheme as every other word rhymes. Last night I dreamed of chickens. There were chickens everywhere. They were standing on my stomach. They were nesting in my hair. They were pecking at my pillow. They were hopping on my head. They were ruffling up their feathers as they raced about my bed. They were on the chairs and tables. They were on the chandeliers. They were roosting in the corners. They were clucking in my ears. There were chickens, 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 for as far as I could see. When I woke up today, I noticed there were eggs on top of me. Alliteration is right here. Pecking at my pillow and hopping on my head. Before you wrap up day number 1, you can also locate rhyming words and onomatopoeia. On day 2, the teacher rereads the poem. Students review components of fluency such as accuracy, automaticity, and prosody. The students chorally read the poem. Small groups of students read different stanzas. Students locate words with short and long vowel sounds. And you can extend by including digraphs. And to conclude day 2, you can identify synonyms and antonyms. On day 3, the teacher and students chorally read the poem. Students practice reading with partners. Partners provide feedback, and volunteers read for the class. On day 4, the students chorally read the poem and self-evaluate. Volunteers read for the class. Students complete a cloze activity. Students read the poem for parents, and students complete a writing homework assignment. On day 5, students read poem with different emotions. Teacher records mystery readers. Students listen to recordings and identify mystery readers. As a culminating activity, the recipe card calls for a poetry party. All you will need is to focus on one poem per week. Each fluency development lesson takes between 10 to 15 minutes.